In this video, we're going to look at the structure of atom. Look at proton, electron, neutron, mass number, how to differentiate these components of the atomic structure, and also look at isotopes together with basic calculations on them. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. Okay, so let's begin with drawing the structure of an atom. So this is an atom. So this is the structure, and this is the nucleus of the atom. So the nucleus of the atom is said to be made up of proton and the neutron, whereas the electron revolves around the shell or orbit. So this is electron. So the proton is positively charged. So it is positively charged, whereas the electron is said to be negative. The neutron is said to be neutral, so it does not have a charge. So it's important you take note of these signs. The proton positively charged, the electron negatively charged, and the neutron is neutral, does not have a charge. Now, what is atomic number? Now, atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. That means atomic number equals proton number. Alright? Whereas, what is mass number? Mass number is the total sum of the proton and the neutron in the nucleus of an atom of an element. So, proton number plus neutron will give us mass number. So it's important to take note of these basic definitions. It will help you in the long run. Right? So having known this, let's solve some basic problems on atomic structure. Now note again that in a neutral atom, number of proton equals electron, whereas in a non-neutral atom, the number of proton is now equal to number of electron. Alright, so let's look at basic problem of this so that we can understand it better. Let's wipe this. Okay, so we are given these two elements, aluminium. So we have these two elements, aluminium, and also this aluminium, but this time around, this one is a charged atom, this one is a neutral atom. Okay, so now this is a neutral atom, where this is a charged atom, a non-neutral atom. Alright, so we are asked to find in these two atoms, we are asked to find the mass number. Okay, so the mass number is 27. So this is the mass number. For the both atoms, the mass number is 27. So the mass number is 27. And we also have to find the proton number. Now, number of protons. Let me cancel this. Number of protons. Thus, atomic number is the proton number. So the number of proton in this first atom, this neutral atom, is 13, and the number of proton in this non-neutral atom, this charged atom, is also 13. Alright? Whereas we also have to find number of electrons. Alright, so this is where the difference comes in now. Now, in this first atom, this neutral atom, there is no charge. The number of electrons in this neutral atom is 13, because remember what I told you, in a neutral atom, proton number equals electron number. Alright, so proton number equals electron number. Whereas in this second atom, the charged atom, the non-neutral atom, the number of electron here isn't 13, it's not 13. So the number of electron here will be, since this is a charged atom, and from this atom, aluminum we have here is giving out 3. 3 plus means that the aluminum is giving out 3. So to get the number of electrons should be 13 minus 3. So the proton number minus 3, it will be 10. So the number of electrons in this second atom, this charged atom, will be 10, because the atom is giving out 3 number of electrons. So 13 minus 3 will give you 10. Alright, so whereas number of neutrons will be, so the mass number, the 7 minus the atomic number 13 will give us 14. So the both atoms will have the same number of neutrons. So this is how to solve basic calculations of the structure of the atom, how to find the atomic number, to find the proton number, the number of electrons, the number of neutrons in either a neutral atom or a charged atom, that is a non-neutral atom. Okay, so before we close the class, let's look at the concept of isotopes and a basic calculation on it before we call this a class. Let's wipe this. Okay, so we have this problem. It says chlorine has 2 isotopes. So these are the isotopes. Now isotopes are simple atoms with the same elements having the same atomic number but different mass number. Like as you can see, atomic number of chlorine here is 17. Atomic number of chlorine here is 17, but the difference is in their mass numbers. The mass number here is 35, mass number here is what? 37, but it's the same element. So isotopes are atoms with the same elements having the same atomic number but different mass number. So the question says chlorine has 2 isotopes. Okay, these are the isotopes with atomic mass units of 34.9689 amounts and 36.9659 amounts respectively. The respective natural abundance are 75.770% and 24.230% respectively. Calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine. Okay guys, very simple. Now to solve this problem, this is the formula apply to it. The formula will be sum of percent abundance times atomic mass. So that's the formula you apply to it. Alright, so when you solve this, you're going to have the percent abundance of the isotopes. We have them to be 75.770 over 100 times 34.9689 over 1 plus. So this 75.770 over 100 is for the atom when the mass number is 35 and the atomic mass is this by 34, then plus this number 1, the atom when the percent abundance is 24, okay, 24.230%, that's 100, okay, times the atomic mass is, atomic mass unit is 36, okay, 0.9659 over 1. So let me punch this in my calculator, and that will give us the average atomic mass of chlorine in this question for the isotopes. Okay, so when you simplify this one, it's going to give us 26.496. Then when you approximate it to 3 decimal places, then we have plus. Let's simplify this one now. Okay, so you're going to have it to be 8.953 7. So when you add the both together, we're going to have 35.453 amounts. So this will be the average atomic mass of chlorine for these isotopes. So guys, this is basically going to solve problems involving isotopes. We looked at the structure of an atom. I showed you how you can calculate or find your number of protons, the atomic number, your number of electrons, neutrons, and mass number for a neutral atom and a charged atom, the one that is non-neutral. So with this, I'll come to the end of the class. Hope you learned something interesting. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So like, share, comment on this video. Tell me how you feel. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to place in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. That's for this time. Thanks for watching.